Bets are close to best of luck. Winning number is 26 black, part of us on the zero section. My compliments to all the winners. The bets are open, thank you. And it's also time for a dealer change. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Separos and I'm going to be a new dealer. Bets are closed, best of luck. The winning number is 22 black, was on the zero section. Complete all the winners, bets are open, snap time. Snap completed, thank you. Bets are closed, best of luck.
Dark Knight, welcome. Vito, welcome. $13 black. $13 black as a winning number this round, which is far from the tier section being a lower number from the second dozen and first column. Congratulations to the winners and good luck to all of you in the following spins. The bets are open. And no more bets, best of luck. Alex, welcome. Panin, welcome. Very welcome. 24 black. $24 black is the winning number this round, which is far from the offline section being a high even number from the second dozen and third column. Congratulations to the winners and good luck to all of you in the next spin. Bets are open. No more bets, best of luck. Guy, welcome. 18 red as a winning number this time, which is far from the 1000 section being a high even number from the second dozen and third column. Congratulations to the winners and good luck to all of you in the next spin. Bets are open. No more bets, best of luck. Let's see, we've got 29 black. Of course you can. What those you got? 29 black as a winning number this round, which is far from the 1000 section being a higher number from the third dozen and second column. Congratulations to the winners and good luck to all of you in the next spin. Bets are open. And no more bets now, good luck to all of you. $33 black. $33 black as a winning number this round, which is far from the, or flying section. Congratulations, the winners, Galactic Lavina and Exchange. Bets are open. That being said, let's change direction. The winner spin the ball off. This is gonna be short spin. Bets are close, Galactic. Short live spin. Very short. Super short. The shorter than before. Soldier. 10 black. We've got 10 black as a win number this round, which is part from the tier section. Hello, even number from the first dozen first column. Congratulations to the winners, Galactic Lavina next game. That's a open. And our bets now, Galactic Lavina, of course. Oh, look at this. We've got a 0.
No more bets allowed. Seven red. Winning number is 7 red. Line out number value was under 0 section. First column and first dozen and compliments to the winners. The bets are. The bets are closed. Nineteen red. Winning number is 19 red. Final the number value was under 0 section. Second dozen and first column. Enjoy winning